Hey everyone, Katie here again, just making another video on what exactly is a hair mask. Well, hair mask is a type of conditioner that can strengthen moisture and improve the condition of your hair with a hair mask. I use a hair mask 2 to 3 times a week. It's just simply based on your hair type, which is maybe twice a week. It's up to you. And then my favorite hair mask is the Bond Support Mask from Monat. It has coconut. It smells really good. It's a buttery type. That's what it looks like. And like I said, I use this 2 to 3 times a week. After I shampoo my hair, I put the mask in and then comb it through. This reduces breakage by 95%. It instantly strengthens and it strengthens weak hair bonds. Hair is 90% smoother, and it has a buttery texture. There's coconut oil in it, and it produces moisture, and it stops dryness. So just thought I'd share that with you about what is a hair mask. Always, thank you for watching.